All right, so on here I've got a I've got a copy of my case diagram and my case documents right here to kind of go along and show what I did. So this is a calculator program that I chose to do. And in here is the use case, and it goes through and shows all the extends and includes and all of that, along with the different functions. And I think I signed up to do the use case diagrams on a different week. So I'm just going to be focusing on the use case documents on here. And so the use case documents are basically just a write out of what your use case diagram is. The use case diagram is the visual part of it, and the use case documents kind of goes through more of a detailed list of things that go on. And so in here, it has a description of what this is going to do. User uses a calculator program to test their arithmetic skills using the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and power math operations. After the user uses each math operator, the system will output the correct answer of their desired calculation. And then it asks who the actor is. The actor is the user of the calculator program. What are the preconditions for the program? The user must launch the program. They must enter a valid integer, and they have to use a valid operator. Post conditions, successful completion, a single output string will show both integer values, the math operator, and the result of the calculation. And the user will land on the main menu screen. So basically the preconditions and post conditions are what the user has to do in order to get the program working, and then what the program does after the user's done their job. The flow goes through what the user actually does step by step in the program, launches the program, presented with the main menu. They have to select an option from the menu. They'll be asked to input their integer. They'll be asked to input their operator. And then you have an alternate flow that you can go through. With this program, there's not much of an alternate flow that you can do. And so I just put none down because according to my use case diagram, they really can't do anything else. And then exceptions, basically just all the errors that will pop up if the user does something wrong in each different step. And then requirements on here, what the program has to do to be able to execute stuff. And so that is basically what the documents are. It's just a detailed list of everything that's shown in the use case diagram. Basically, if you're going to take this into a client, let's say you're writing a program for a client or something, you have your diagram there, and you need to have some documents along with it to present to your client so they can go through step by step and see what you've done. This will be able to answer a lot of their questions, especially if someone wasn't there or they're trying to go back and get it from memory. It's easier to follow along with these documents. So is there any questions about that?
No, I think it's pretty clear and easy to understand. No, that was a great example, actually.
No, it's perfect, Chris. You you show very good example and explanation.
All right. Thank you very much.